Right then, Tech 2. The TT's body shop. We're going to have a bit of a change up for next year. We're starting early, even though it's November. Seems like we're starting early. Autosport's coming up soon, and we need one car ready for that. So as you can see, we've ripped it completely down. This was white underneath, and it was hiding quite a few sins. So as you can see, a bit of filler under the wrap and a few dents. So we're going to have to pinpull that and get it something like straight. So a bit different this year. Because we've got the body shop, we decided that rather than trying to wrap everything and cover everything over and stressing lads at gig art when we need stuff desperate, we'd rather stress body shop art when we need it desperate. And I think we're going to paint everything this time. We're going to try and do all the cars sort of matching. So this one just was the first one off the truck. The Rs3 is coming in next. We're going to rip all that down, paint, get everything nicely filled and painted. This one has got some nice carbon panels coming, and the Rs3's got some carbon stuff, so that'll be trying to fit that in the theme. I think we're going to go for red, black and greys. Not 100% sure yet. We're going to have to do some mock-ups and see. Hopefully we can get them all looking nice, get them all looking smart and make them all pop, because I think everybody seemed to like how these looked, but the definite thing we need to do if we're racing both TTs together, which one's going to be petrol, one's going to be diesel, they need to look a little bit different, especially when you say we need to do something to that TT, which TT, we're getting a bit confused. We need it to be distinct but similar. So we shall see. So we'll let Adam crack on, and this is going to be a very long video because we're going to be trying to do everything at once. Probably 2 months' work condensed into a 20-minute video. We'll see.
Got one TT over there, completely stripped. We've got another one here. This is the one that blew up at Burkett in quali. All the panels are off in the body shop, and we are gonna rip it to bits. Wish us luck.
So we're not going as crazy at the front here because all this stuff's going to remain, all the factory stuff, so we can't really get rid of all that. It just makes mounting that a nightmare. So yeah, we've got plenty to do. This one's not getting stripped down as much because we'd already done the interior stuff in the last race, before the last race, and then this didn't really do much anyway, so it was a waste of time. Yeah, keep working away, tidying them up, but this one, we're in a bit of a rush because this one's going to Autosport. I'd like to have took the diesel one, but it's too much work. This one can be back together, I'd say in a few days, Paul. Yeah. But it's not going to be a few. Challenge. Yeah, it's not going to be a few days. We've got about a month, but a month soon comes around when there's Christmas and New Year and stuff like that. So really, we've probably only got 2 working weeks to get it sorted. The body shop still need to work on it, so let's hurry up.
We'll turn this around. We'll turn this around.
So the TT's pretty much done paint wise now. Liking the colour scheme, liking how we've done it. Pretty sure I'm regretting doing it all in paint. I think the next one we'll maybe do in vinyl, just because of how long it takes to do it and how much extra work it is. It's been painted about 5 times now, so it's definitely not making car lighter. So yeah, we're gonna get this out of the booth. It's absolutely red hot in here. It's been baking overnight. So we're gonna get this over to the workshop. In the meantime, they're gonna finish the little bits on the bumpers and on the mirror caps and stuff like that. They're going red and some little accents on there. So that's that sorted. And then yeah, we'll have a look what else we got, because we're not letting the guys in the body shop rest. We're getting cracked on. So not only have we got to try and get this TT ready, which, what day is it today? Thursday. That's going to be ready for Wednesday next week, driving, because they're going to Autosport. Bilstein emailed us and said they wanted this wrapping as well. So instead of painting it, we're going to get this smartened up as best we can. There were dints on it and little bits here and there and just little bits of stuff like this. We're going to get all this sorted, get the door that's damaged here replaced, which we've got one upstairs for that anyway. Get all that sorted, and then we've got to get that over to Gig and get them to wrap it before Wednesday as well. And then we've got wheels to clean up, tyres to fit, basically smarten it up. We've got a seat to put in this as well. Stuff all over the place. Loads of cleaning, loads of tidying, because they're going to be under the spotlight in the NEC, so see how we get on. So we're finally there, got both cars sorted. We didn't actually have chance before Autosport to get them both together in sunlight and look at them. We got them loaded up and off we went. So really happy with how the body shop's got the TT looking. Not sure black's the best choice for a race car, but it does look good when it's sat still anyway, which is exactly what we wanted. A few people said a bit of Night Rider thing going on there. And then the Rs3, really happy with that. Gig have done a mint job, got it done quick, no messing. Few little bits that we could have done better prior to them getting the car, because a bit of paint flaked off in places. The original paint, it's had loads of bad paint. Ended up wrapping the carbon splitters, well, that's a wood one, it looks carbon now, but that it had a few repairs as well, so we've just done that. But yeah, really happy with how they've turned out. Everybody at Autosport thought they looked really good as well. We've ended up with a couple of people wanting to drive them this year. If you want to see more of what we're doing or inquire with us for driving them, then go on the Motorsport page on our website. Adam will pop link up. The only thing that we can do now, the rest of the year, is make them look worse, basically, by scraping and scratching them. But hopefully we're done. Hopefully they just get to the front and drive away from everybody, but here's to hoping. We'll get the diesel car sorted next. So these two are staying petrol. We'll get the diesel ones done next. Not sure how it's all going to work, because they've all been getting worked on all at the same time, and the diesel ones are nowhere near finished now. But yeah, next thing, test some Yokohama tyres.